Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuilds Garage. My name is Roman, and today I'm by myself without my brother, but we are in LA IAI auctions. So I'm excited to be here, and we're checking out some exotics they got here, some muscle cars. And this specific video, this is for muscle cars. Exotic cars, if you want to go check them out, they're in a separate video. After you watch this video, go check them out. Also, I have to do a little disclaimer for you guys. I'm not really, a lot of these muscle cars are going to be older than me, so I'm not really I'm going to let this truck pass. I don't know a lot of info about these cars, so if you know some info about, because there's some interesting muscle cars here and classic cars overall, and I would like to know some more info. If you know info about it, let me know, because I want to know also. So just a disclaimer, you could correct me in the comment section if I say something incorrectly, but make sure you stay tuned. Also, if you guys want to see these cars, if you want to bid on them, buy them, go check them out at IAI.com. Or if you want to use it on your phone, you could download the IAI Buyer app. And you could go type in the stock number, go check them out. If you want to bid on it, create an account, bid on them. Really simple, easy to use. And I also want to play a game with you guys. Like with these classic cars, it's a little tricky to know how much it's actually going to cost you, and I'm sure there's some experts here watching this video today. So if you're an expert or not an expert, put your guesses below. What car is going to cost how much to fix it? Comment them below. You could do separate comments, you could do all in one comment, but let me know what you guys think, because I don't know myself. I don't know how much the parts are going to cost. It's a mystery. So comment your guesses. I want to see them. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Our first classic, this is what we got, is a 1968 Camaro SS. I believe this thing has 56,000 miles, if I'm not mistaken. Go search the stock number on IAI. And let's take a peek under the hood. How do you open this? I don't want to mess with that. There's people watching me. But it doesn't say what the why is it here? It doesn't have too much. It says it looks like it's been repainted. It looks pretty clean, but it has been repainted. Some wheels on it. Looks like somebody was been burning some rubber on this thing. And I would rock one of these. Let's check out the inside. Dang. If I would buy a classic, it would probably be from the auction. Because I think buying one offhand, it's gonna be too much. People put a lot of time and money into them, and then they want a fortune. But this one, unfortunately, something happened, and it's getting thrown into the auction. So I'll definitely, classics, this one especially, go to IAAI.com and type in the stock number, and you'll see it. You could go bid on it. We got a 2014 Camaro. Look at this thing. This thing has 48,000 miles. Let's check out the damages. This side looks pretty clean. Airbag is blown. Well, all the airbags are blown, except the dash. Yeah, look at this thing. Interior looking pretty clean. There's a couple gauges right there. Man, this thing looks good. Let's go check out the damage. Oh, it's that back tire right there. Probably still fixable. But looks like suspension damage. I'm gonna need a new bumper. Actually, maybe not. Let's take a look. Bumper seems to be intact, so. And it has Dynatech exhaust. So that's not bad. Look at this. Look at this lineup. Let's see if we could pop the hood on. Damn. Okay. Engine looks clean. It's not hitting the front, so that's good, but no engine work needed or framework. Just the back suspension. So here's a stock number. Look at this Cobra. On the windshield, it's telling me it's a 2010. I doubt it. I don't think they made these in 2010. I'm not a classic expert, but I'm still gonna show you guys for the guys that know a thing or two, so I apologize. But it looks like there's an oil cooler, some kind of custom radiator in the back behind it. I cannot see the inside. Probably they covered it because interior is too nice and they don't want, or maybe not, something. Look at this. It has 12,000 miles on this thing. That's what the odometer is telling me. 12,000 miles. This thing is unhooked. It's a little loud. A lot of commotion here going on. They're pretty busy. .427 Cobra. And it wasn't a collision. Might have been rolled over. That's why maybe that thing is damaged and they covered this thing. But I'm not 100% sure on this. Let's see if we could open this. Dang. Looks like this either got melted or some kind of buildup. That's exhaust coming out the side. I always see older guys driving these. I never drove one or been in one. But if they're driving it, that means it's something special. They know. Older guys, they know their cars. We got a wide tire. What size is this? This is a 295. I'm gonna have to, after this, I'm gonna have to look up how much horsepower they come stock. But that I don't know if this one is stock, to be honest. It has some kind of damage here. And it looks like it's fiberglass. Missing an emblem. Other than that, it does not look damaged. Under there I can't see and I'm not gonna undo it, but there it is. Okay. I really like this thing. A 1980 Mini Cooper 15,000 miles on this thing, and this thing is so sweet. I mean, it's a right-hand drive, and like overall this thing is in mint condition minus that, but you could turn it back into mint condition pretty quick, easy. This minor damage, but I extremely love this thing. I don't know why, but let's check out the interior on this thing. Look at this. Like, whoever owned this thing probably cried when this thing wrecked, because this thing is in mint condition. Look at the interior, the red stripe. Look at the back. I'm gonna go on that side. I'm gonna actually sit down in one, because I've seen one in person from distance, but I have not. Why is this? I'm gonna put my backpack in here. I'm kind of tall. I'm about 6'1", and I still could fit in here pretty easy. Like, this is, I'm not crammed. The pedals are pretty close together than usual, so clutch, brake, they're all pretty close. It's a 4-speed, but I mean, like, I want to get one like this. This is just, I love it. And especially this one. This one is like, look at the red striping in the door, and then look at the wood. This wood, look, just, I'm sorry guys, but this is in person is so much different. You know, you see Mr. Bean drive one of those and you're like, why does he drive this? Like, I understand why. So let's see, first gear, second, third. It goes into all the gears, so that's good news. I would say I probably wouldn't fit in the back, but who knows, I probably even would. So me being 6'1", I underestimated this car. I thought I would be crammed, but this is amazing. Has the British flag on top, of course. You know what? It's not a Mini Cooper if it doesn't have a British flag. Some kind of signature there. I can't pop the hood open, but I wish I could. But this thing is just amazing. This thing is so dope. Okay, let's go on, and we're gonna check out some more cars. There's a lot more to check out.